Okay, guys, so we're going to talk about how to edit a done-for-you digital product and make it your own. So basically, this is the digital product that I have created for my business credit potential clients. It's going to be a freebie. I'm just going to simply go to the school community. This is one of the communities that gives you done-for-you PLR products, digital products that you can edit and resell. If you guys want more information on how you can join one, all I need you to do is type MRR down in the comments. So I'm going in to find one that is for my niche, which is business credit. We're going to click this one. I don't really care for how it looks, so we're going to go to another one here. This one, we're just going to kind of click through it and see if it is something that matches our aesthetic. And it does, because I already like the fonts. So what we're going to do, or what you're going to do, is actually find one to your liking, but you're going to at least change the colors. As you can see, my colors are black, orange, and white. It's the same exact ebook. All right. Now, I do not like this cover. I'm going to change the cover because it's just not that. It's not giving. It's not giving. And then I added a page, from another ebook right here to just kind of tell you who I am right here on this next page. Who I am and why I deserve to be teaching people how to build business credit. And in this page right here just is telling people to dismantle the belief that they hold about business credit. So we can go ahead and get that out the way. And then as you can see, I changed the colors to my brand colors, which is black, orange, and white. We're going to go back to the other ebook, guys. You see how I got 2 Canva slides open? I'm just separating them so you can actually see. You see how these fonts over here match the ones that I have? It's the same ebook. I'm just trying to kind of like minimize it so you can compare the two. But all I did was just change the words, but I used their same format and their same font. You don't even have to take it that far. I just wanted to do that because I wanted to make sure that I'm giving people value with the subject matter that I provide. I wanted it to be all my words. Okay, so I already started. As you can see, I've already started with step number 1, which you getting your business address in order for you to receive funding. I got step number 2 on there, as you can see. But, just showing you the functionality of what all I did to make this my own. I made it all the way to step number 3. Because step number 4 is not completed yet. So I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what to do with step number 4. We're gonna walk through it step by step. So I told ChatGPT that I just pasted a ebook that I already had. And I told them, I said, hey, I need you to highlight based upon this ebook why this is important and tell people how to do it. Because, guys, not only do I want to tell you why to do things, but I also want to show you how to do it, exactly how I'm doing on this video, right? And so ChatGPT gave me all of this information. See, here's the ebook. That's the old ebook that I gave ChatGPT. I just attached it and say, hey, remember we came up with the name and the cover for this business credit checklist? Here's a PDF. I need you to format it. Make it easy to read for my target audience. Put a why section for each category and how to do it category. And ChatGPT read my PDF and did exactly what I asked him to do. So guess what I'm going to do? This is a hack, y'all. This is a hack. All I'm going to do is copy and paste all of this information into my brand new checklist / ebook, whatever you want to call it. It's a digital product. All right. So we're on step number 4 right now, which is obtain an LLC. You do not get an LLC first, guys. You get a business address first. It's important that you do these steps in order. But we're going to paste it in there. I just want to add that this is actually available. It's already launched. The name of it is Your Business Funding Ready? The Ultimate Funding Checklist. So I just want to kind of throw that out there. If you guys want a copy of it, it's completely for free. All you need to do is comment below checklist and I will send you the link in the comments. Okay, so we're just going to position the title, which is step number 4, obtain a LLC. We're going to position it the right way. So this can be able to be readable and it can flow for my potential clients because, guys, I want to always provide you the best resources possible. Like, I can't stand when people just throw an ebook together, even if it's free. So we're going to go over to ChatGPT and we're going to copy why this is important. Okay, because we're just using the same formatting that done for you digital product had. Okay, we're going to paste why is it important to get an LLC, and then we're going to take the title Why is this important? We're going to copy it and we're going to replace it with their title. See how I did that? Because we want to keep their format intact. That's all I'm doing. And that's all even if you want to take it this far, y'all, I'm telling you, you don't even have to do all of this. I'm just extra, I guess. I like to provide as much value as I possibly can to my peeps. I know some of you are probably wondering, like, girl, who are you? What do you do? And how can you help me? I help driven entrepreneurs go from feeling stuck to getting their business funding ready in 3 weeks or less. I also help individuals obtain funding to purchase business cards or to get funding without using their personal credit so that they can escape a poverty mindset by using other people's money to fund or grow their business. Okay, so back to the checklist. So again, I'm just using their same format. All I'm doing is going to go back to ChatGPT and I am going to copy how you obtain an LLC for your business in order to get that funding. So we're just going to back this out and we're going to paste it, put a question mark behind it. All right, and we're just moving around, just trying to make this font a little bit smaller. We're going to go over here to ChatGPT and we're going to copy how to get a LLC. So we're copying this. We're going to go back over here and we're going to copy all of this. Come on, Ebony, copy it. Get it together, delete it. And then we're going to right click and paste it. Paste. Okay, so now that I have everything positioned in the place that I want it, it's giving plain. It's not giving what I want it to give. This page is missing something, right? Wouldn't you agree? So what I'm going to do is go over here to elements to the left pane, and I'm going to type in cash because I want my potential clients that want funding to get excited about this, that they're going to actually be able to receive it. And you're going to do the same thing, depending on your niche. My niche is financial literacy and funding and business and all of the good jazz. Okay, we're scrolling, just trying to find something that matches my aesthetic. Okay, so I didn't even have to look far because if you look to the left, you see this big black dollar sign right there to the left. I'm going to pick the one right beside it and we're going to minimize it to see, if this is kind of going to fit the vibe. And I don't like it, y'all. It's looking cheesy. I must admit, it's looking kind of cheesy. But we're going to hang in there. We're going to hang in there and see what happens. It's obviously missing something, right? So what I am going to do is go over to my business credit workshop that I host every Saturday at noon, guys. Follow me on TikTok at SoSo Digital. That's SOW Digital. I present something for you guys to help you to structure your business on live, and then you can ask me any questions that you have. You can pick my brain, guys. I've been able to obtain over 6 figures in business funding with a 5-month-old business. I was able to purchase business cards, no money down, EIN only, which means I did not use my personal credit. And I was able to list that on the Turo platform. And from there, my life changed. I was booked and busy. So I just teach people how to do the same thing that I did if they're interested, because it can definitely reset your life and allow you to live a little bit more free instead of being locked down by a system that was created to oppress us. But anyway, we ain't gonna go there. So all I did was go to that workshop and I just copied something on the LLC slide to put in there, just telling people, hey, research all the fees associated with this step. I simply grabbed that clipboard. All I did was copy and paste it from page 2 of this existing checklist. All I did was drag it down, if you guys didn't see that already. But basically, I'm just trying to, fill this page up so it can look complete, because it's giving incomplete to me. So I feel like there's something else I need to add to this how to do it space, and this is what I'm about to do. Okay, so I'm going in, typing something just to add a little bit more information because I wanted to give you guys a simple hack on how you properly name your LLC to appear safe and fundable to creditors to avoid the risk of being denied. And so I'm just going in here to type this in, and I'm going to change the font colors. So what I did was bolded the hack so it can stand out to people, and I changed it to the color orange because I really want people to understand the importance of properly naming their LLC so they can remain safe and fundable. I wanted to kind of hop out at the readers, right? So I'm just going to change the titles to make the reading a little bit more efficient. However, that's a little too busy for me, so we're going to change how to do it to another color, which is this orange over here, just so it could kind of make sense to the human eye, right? this is basically the finished product. I added my money, I got my clipboard, everything is everything at this point. So if you guys are interested in joining one of these done-for-you digital marketing communities where you can make multiple streams of income, all I need you to do is type MRR down in the comments and I will send you the link for you to be able to join. Or if you want to get this incredible checklist that I put together where you can obtain funding for your business, I need you to comment checklist. All right, bye.